flat tire on a busy highway can be dangerous and stressful. Don't risk your safety, because safety on the road is a responsibility we all share. Use Seal-O-Tyre Travel Safe Pro Kit instead. Introducing Seal-O-Tyre Travel Safe Pro Kit, your tire ka doctor. Our innovative kit instantly repairs punctures, ensuring you don't have to change tires on the roadside. It's a gel-based formula which keeps your tires safe and provides seamless mobility. After filling the sealant, you just have to drive your car at 50 km/h for 5 minutes so that the gel gets applied properly inside the tire. After that, stop the vehicle, check the air pressure of the tire and fill it using an inflator if required. Seal-O-Tyre, your safety, our priority. Visit seal-otyre.com to learn more.